Hey guys, guess what? I got a brand new project. 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit 4-door diesel, guys. This thing is so rotted out, but I have decided to restore it and give it life again. I paid $300 for it, guys. It does run, but there's no radiator. Everything imaginable is wrong with it. I have officially been working on it for about 7 or 8 straight days. You know what? Let me take you into the past 8 days ago and show you what it looked like 8 days ago.
Let's take you into the past right now.
Okay, here it is, 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit. As you can see, there's damage everywhere. It's missing a radiator. It's missing hoses. Crap everywhere. Broken window. Paint's peeling. Tires are all weather cracked. Need to be replaced. Inside, completely rusted out, as you can see. Destroyed inside, missing stuff, missing all the interior. And in case you don't have any faith in me, guys, here it is. Just a few days later, this thing is getting restored, guys. It really, really is. The back's pretty rusty too. This is all rusted. And there is a detailed rust repair video coming, guys. As you can see, rusted no more in the future, guys. Look at that. Looking so nice and fresh and solid, as you can see. This whole thing's all damaged. Manual transmission, power nothing. Flintstone mobile. So I really hope you guys tune in to season 4 Red Rabbit Diesel restoration, guys. As you can see, it is really coming along, guys. The first video is going to be rust repair. I did a video on this custom roof rack for 30 bucks, so that's coming up. All types of repairs, guys. Radiator, vacuum stuff, gas tank, brake lines, brakes, shocks, you name it, guys. We're going to make some custom interior for this puppy. Electrical, you name it, guys. And don't worry, I am still restoring the White Rabbit. Here it is. I am a little bit behind schedule on it because summer came and I do work in the summer, guys. And I've been working on this one for 7 days straight so far, and it's really coming along, as you can see, with the rust repair. Everything's looking awesome. So I try to have this thing finished before the snow comes. I had a really late start on it. Right now it is September 22nd, guys. So winter is coming. I only started on it like 8 days ago or 7 days ago. So anyways, guys, please subscribe for Rabbit Cabriolet content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Rust repair.